Curd Maestro makes tasty and hygienic curd. Samsung Curd Maestro Convertible 3-in-1 Refrigerator. It comes in 10 different colorways: Luxe Brown, Camellia Purple, Camellia Blue, Wavy Knox, Wave Blue, Real Stainless, Mystic Overlay White, Rhythmic Twirl Red, Rhythmic Twirl Blue, and Pebble Blue. It is available in 244-liter and 265-liter, and it is 2-star and 3-star rated for energy saving. It features Curd Maestro Convertible 3-in-1 Power Cool Freeze and Base Stand Drawer. Get the Samsung Curd Maestro for tasty curd. It makes perfect curd all year round inside the refrigerator. Convertible 3-in-1 includes